The moment I started earning, I thought I had my financial independence.
And after a point, it felt like living alone was so much better.
I never thought taking a decision can make me regret so much. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gunjan and you're watching Travels with Sharma. Today we are basically talking about
The reality of our late 20s, how messed up they could get, and how disturbing they are. Things that no one actually talk about and how it becomes so confusing during this age. Half of the time your motivation is so low, you are either irritated or frustrated from your own self. Even if a person speaking nicely to you, you just turn off their mood. Everyday comparisons makes it so tiring that you can't even handle the further situations that are going to come in the future. And what you want at this moment of time, you don't even know that. So yeah, let's get started with this video. But before that, do follow me on my Instagram because I create a different sort of content over there. And let's get started. I thought by 28 my life would be sorted, but it only got messed up. If you're someone in your late 20s and having the kind of life you wanted, congratulations, you made it. But if you're in your late 20s, little confused, don't know if things going as per your plan, then don't worry. We all are in the same boat. Burnout, stress, anxiety will only make it worse for you. So don't let them take the space in your mind. I personally started earning after the first wave of COVID, which was around August, September. And in the year 2022, a major breakthrough came and I started earning a really good amount. I switched to a nice company. I was working as a freelancer. But guess what? 2023 came and actually changed my whole life story. Firstly, I was getting some good freelancing projects, so I stopped working on a full-time basis. But in the mid of the year, because of some issues with the company, I had to leave the job and I permanently switched to a freelancing role as a writer. I was having a decent life because I wanted to always work from Mumbai, being one of the safest city, and also earning a decent amount to survive.
but it's not possible that life always goes as per your plan. So, in the mid 2023, my parents asked me to come back to Jaipur and meet some guys for marriage. They were so confident about this one person that you might end up getting married because everything is so close to perfect. Turned out that I packed everything and came from Mumbai to Jaipur, again to my hometown, living with my parents. It was not the ideal match for me, but that's not it. I met so many people in that particular year. This went on and on for almost 3 years. Turns out that sometimes I didn't like the person, and at the same time, someone else has also rejected me, which is definitely fair and square. And in between, I again thought of shifting back to Mumbai by first applying to the jobs. And in the start of 2025, only my freelancing projects decreased. Why? Because artificial intelligence had completely taken over this field. Options got so limited. And all of these years living with my parents made me realize that I was better at living alone by myself. And their stress has affected my mental health because I kept thinking that I can't help them in this situation because if I get married to a wrong person, my whole life will be ruined. Earlier, I had a financial situation where I used to spend, I used to save, and I used to easily plan my travel things. But today, I cannot even do that properly.
After a point, even my parents start saying, what are you doing with your life? Your career is not sorted, you're not getting married, you're not earning enough. Like, these are the things you get to listen from your parents. And each and everything starts putting that mental pressure. So, for me, right now, one thing that is literally on priority is to have a stabilized career. And the fact that why all of this is happening in your late 20s is because you think you want to do everything before you turn 30. Like, I also myself want to travel once internationally before I turn 30 or before I even get married. But right now, I feel like it is not only the money which is on priority, but it is the peace that I get from the job I invest myself in. And in terms of the marriage, what you think, what your idea is literally not understood by your parents. Like, they think the reasons that you're giving for rejecting a guy or for not liking that person are invalid. But I am someone who believes that there is some sort of pull or there is some sort of attraction towards a person that makes me think of them as a life partner. People in today's world is not even considering communication these days, and which is such a basic thing because that actually tells a lot about you. What is your priority? What are you expecting? If I'm able to fit in your lifestyle or not? Like, money is not the only thing which is going to make me happy, but living with that person, having at least some similar ideas about life is actually also very important.
Some will say that your life will actually starts after you turn 30, while some says that you have to settle before 30 because how are you going to have kids? But what I believe is if I'm not doing right, whether that is mentally or emotionally, how will I even plan something new in my life? For that, I not only need motivation, but I need support from my family. However, you will get the best support from your friends. Friends who have understood you from years and years and will not only gives you the support, but they can easily criticize you and you will listen to them because the perspective with which they will see a situation also becomes important. I do believe that half of the time talking to my friend just makes me so much at ease and I feel relieved talking to them because they help me taking a right decision at the same time because they are literally of your age, they have similar sort of struggles, they will understand the perspective that you are sharing.
We want everything to be right at this moment because I think we are not ready to take that major risk like at this point in our life, because before we question, our parents will question us. And that's why I believe your parents' support is so essential. But rather than that, what is happening is we are having pressure from them, which is just about one thing: getting married. If I think about the ideal life that I want, or one factor which I want in my life is right now to live alone so that I could be more clear in my head and I could be mentally relieved from the pressure that I'm facing from my parents. I know that parents will always think what's best for us, but right now, as a woman, I believe it is so important to earn your own money. Like, that is enough to give you so much support and confidence, and even your decision making power will flourish, I believe. This phase is confusing because nothing is wrong, but nothing feels completely right either. I always believed that how I was when I was 23 or 22, I would be the same my entire life. But I think that is the major reality check that you're going to get the moment you are in your late 20s. But even in all of these situations, one thing I feel grateful is my parents considering my decision. So if you're in your late 20s, it's okay to not figure out everything at this moment. It is completely normal because only one thing is going to make you go ahead is your hard work, as they're going to give you some amazing end results that you might enjoy after you have turned 30 or after 29 or after 28. If someone else has achieved something at 26, that does not mean you cannot achieve it at 30. I want you to do something, achieve that, and say, I bought my first car or my house or started living alone after switching my career successfully. So yeah, it's completely fine if you're having burnout or situation of stress or anxiety. Just take a moment for yourself. Be in that situation of peace that makes you happy. Like, could be anything, or your favorite coffee, or even enjoy a movie to shift your mindset, and you'll be good to go the next day. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you could actually relate with the pointers that I have said and you're going through the same, you have to like this video. Like, this is a sign for you to like this video and consider that yes, we are going through that and we are going to enjoy it once we have achieved it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Do follow me on my Instagram. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Do follow me on my Instagram and bye.